Right then, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to Happy Hungry Hippie. Yes, that's me. What we're going to cover this week is something that I covered when I first started my YouTube channel over 2 years ago now, and it's something from the absolutely fantastic Ottolenghi Simple Cookbook. It's just amazing recipes in here, and that's why I want to go back to this recipe, which is avocado butter on toast with tomato salsa. I've been making this pretty much every other weekend for my wife. It's her favourite, and I've absolutely perfected this recipe now through some real basic core ingredients. So I'm going to split this into two. I'm going to do the avocado, and then I'm also going to show you how to do the very basic tomato salsa. But this combined on sourdough toast is just absolutely epic. It's like one of our favourite and most healthiest breakfasts that you can possibly have. Our second favourite breakfast is actually the scrambled tofu on toast, which is with an amazing avocado salad as well. So do please check that out. That's also an Ottolenghi recipe from this book. So the core ingredients you need for this, of course you need your avocados. You also need a lime, but in this case I'm actually using a secret ingredient here. It is actually the fermented limes. This is nearly a year old now, and it's just absolutely amazing. So good for you. So do check out the recipe I've done for that. Absolutely amazing. We'll just use some of the juices from that as well. A green and a red chilli. Ashley absolutely loved your variation of this as well. Coriander, clove of garlic. As for the tomato salsa, which goes on top, this is just very simple. You use tomatoes, garlic, capers, and also dill. Super easy. So within this recipe, there's no oil, no added sugar, and no added salt. So this is whole food, plant-based compatible. So let's get going. Then voila, here we have avocado on toast with the tomato salsa. Now I'm just saving the presentable portion for my wife. I always give myself the dog's dinner. So let's try. That is just absolutely amazing. Wow. So, really hope you enjoyed my show. Please do subscribe. Lots of love and passion going into it. Also, turn on your notifications every fortnight on Tuesdays at 4 o'clock. Also, check out my playlist for other breakfast ideas. Done a really amazing recipe for scrambled tofu harissa with an amazing avocado and cucumber salad. That is amazing too. That's also from the Simple Cookbook. So, hope you have a great week, everyone. Stay healthy. Enjoy.